Title: Bobby Kotick will stay at Activision Blizzard until the end of this year. Content as follows. Bobby Kotick, CEO of Activision Blizzard, has announced his intention to leave the company by the end of 2023, following the completion of Microsoft's acquisition of the gaming giant. Kotick, who has been with Activision since 1991, will remain in his role temporarily to ensure a smooth transition, reporting to Phil Spencer, CEO of Microsoft Gaming. The acquisition, worth $68.7 billion, was finalized after nearly 2 years of regulatory hearings and an unsuccessful attempt by the Federal Trade Commission to block the deal. Kotick has been instrumental in the growth of Activision Blizzard, overseeing the merger with French developer Vivendi Games in 2008 and the acquisition of Candy Crush developer King for $5.9 billion in 2015. However, his tenure has also been marred by numerous controversies, including discrimination lawsuits, allegations of union busting, unfair labor practices, employee walkouts, and calls for his resignation. Despite the completion of the acquisition, Microsoft faces further challenges, as UK regulators have raised concerns about the deal. The tech giant will now have to defend its acquisition, with a crucial decision from the European Union expected in the coming weeks.